Hey everyone, welcome to Kadi's Digital Marketing Product Review channel. Today we're going to review another product called Lazy Traffic Sniper. Basically, this product is all about getting traffic from Quora. We all know that Quora is a question and answer platform. Basically, you will be able to use Quora to send your promotion and your offers so that you can get more traffic. If this is something that you are interested in and you'd like to find out more about it, just stick around throughout my review so I can just take you through the custom bonuses that I have for you and also take you through the members area where I will show you the training as to what Quora is all about. But for now, let's just get to it. We are now on my bonus page. Lazy Traffic Sniper will be launched on the 5th of May at 11:59 EST. So I just want to highlight one point that the bonuses that I'm going to take you through will only be available during the launch period. After the launch, the bonuses won't be available anymore. So once the timer hits 00, the bonuses won't be available. So if you are interested, just click on the description link so you can just take up the awesome bonuses that I'm going to take you through and the product. So, but for now, let's just get to the bonuses. So the first bonus that we have is get paid traffic profits. These are the bonuses that are prepared by Jono Armstrong, and I also have to just highlight that Jono Armstrong and Betty are the creator of the training course. So the get paid traffic bonus basically is a tutorial that will help you to understand how you will be able to leverage off the online traffic so that you can just get more customer there, which will result in more in commission. The second bonus is access 40 high quality leads magnet. Basically, this will help you to have access to 40 high quality leads magnet so that you'll be able to advertise your campaigns and your posts properly and show you how you can send your leads so that you can just get traffic. The third bonus is 5 email marketing tips for higher conversion. So we all know that without an email list, basically there's no business in the online marketing business. So this will give you hacks as to how you can leverage off in terms of the email marketing, how you can go about it so that you can just send your offers through, and while you send the offers, those offers will turn into conversion. Because even though you can just do the email marketing, but if you don't get conversion, there won't be any point. You won't be able to get any commission. So this will help you to perfect your email marketing. The fourth bonus is the Polaris bonus prepared by Jono Armstrong. So basically, this is a software tutorial that will help you to leverage off the traffic as to how you can just increase your traffic. So this bonuses mainly focuses on how you can increase your traffic. That will help you also with the Lazy Traffic Sniper. The fifth bonus, these are the vendor bonuses that the vendor has given me. So I'll just show you some of the bonuses that the vendor has available. So these bonuses are inside the members area, that is the training section. So it's YouTube ranking course. This will help you and show you how you can rank your YouTube videos. We all know that the market currently is so competitive. Everyone wants to be to create YouTube videos. Everyone wants to create content on YouTube. So this will show you how to rank your videos high so that you can have high viewers and also have subscribers to your channel. The second vendor bonus, this is $0 to $100 in 24 hours. Basically, it will show you how to make $100 within a day. So if you are interested in that, that is one of the bonuses that will come with the product. The next bonus is Vanquish and Figure Breakout. These are the bonuses that have been prepared by Jono Armstrong. So I'll just take you through the members area so that we can just check what Lazy Traffic Sniper is all about. So it starts off with introduction. So basically this is where Betty and Jono introduces the bonuses, the product Lazy Traffic Sniper. So I won't go through the videos because this is all videos in the training. So we don't have like an example that we can just go through. But in the video here, Betty and Jono basically just introduce the product Lazy Traffic Sniper as to what is it all about. This is a Quora traffic training program where it shows you how you can leverage off traffic that is coming from Quora, and it shows you also how you can use affiliate marketing and get free traffic. The next section, Get Started, shows you how you can use Quora in the sense of finding the best questions in Quora and hacks to answer the questions in Quora. Using the training program, you will be able to take your offers and post your offers based on the questions that are asked in Quora. So that's how you'll be able to get your offers through for people to be able to see them. Creating content, it shows you how the best practices of Quora, how to create a post in Quora so that you can entice potential customers to your offer, and creating a space in Quora. So it shows you that, and we know that for you to be able to post your offer, these offers are not the offers that the products that you have created. I'll take you through the benefits just now. So these are the offers and products that have been created by other vendors, and for you to be able to find those vendors as an affiliate marketer, you will find them on JVZoo, ClickBank, and Warrior Plus. So basically they'll take you through how to set up your Warrior Plus account, how to set up your JVZoo account, and also how to set up your ClickBank account, and also how to get your affiliate links approved, as we know that that is hectic. Most vendors, they do not approve links from newbies. So this section takes you through how you can just get more traffic from other platforms. And bonuses, I've just taken you through the bonuses. These are the vendors bonuses that I just showed you just now. So this is the members area, guys. Basically, it's just a training on how you can use Quora and get traffic from Quora. So we're now going to the sales page. I just want to show you the benefits. So for you to be able to use this training program, as I've mentioned earlier on, you do not have to have your own product. You can use other people's product and just promote them, and using Quora as the source of traffic. You don't have to have an existing built email list. You don't have to have social media followers. You don't have to make videos. I know most people are not keen in making videos. That's one of another benefits that that is available. You don't have to have a fan page or groups. So this will be your Facebook group, where you normally like how currently we have on Facebook. There are different Facebook groups where you will be able to advertise your or promote your offers in different affiliate online marketing or affiliate groups on Facebook. You don't have to be to have that or to belong in either of those groups. So you should be able to use this training program and make money. So you don't have to have any experience. So this is newbie friendly. So these are some of the benefits, guys. I won't go through the benefits. So this is inside the sales page. And within the sales page, you should be able to, so these are the people who created the product. So this is Betty, Jono, and Shubham. Sorry if I pronounced your name incorrectly. So I just want to highlight something that once you select, you click on my my description link, it will take you to this page, which is the sales page. And from the sales page, you should be able to see the button where you will, this is the button I'm looking for. You will just go at the bottom of the page. You'll get the get instant access now. Then you will click on this button. Once you select on this button, you should be able to go through the payment process. And after the payment process, then it will process your payment. If everything is fine, you will receive an email from Warrior Plus, since this is a Warrior Plus product. So it will look something like this. You will receive an email from Warrior Plus, and Warrior Plus will send you the email, the username and password, where you'll log into Warrior Plus and get access to the product. So but now I just want to take you guys to the price as to how much will this product cost you. So the front end, basically the front end, it will be the training program that I've showed you, and the bonuses that will cost you $12.95. So you get access to the software, the bonuses, and the training program. But bear in mind, the bonuses will only be available for the period of the launch. But you can upgrade to upsell number 1, which is Lazy Traffic Sniper Pro for $47, which will help you to be able to build your list building and email marketing profit. And as I've mentioned that without an email list, that you won't be able to make profit. So for you to be able to send to get traffic and send your offers, the best way to promote your offers is by an email list. So the second one, upsell number 2, Lazy Traffic Sniper Silver. Jono and Betty are saying that they will walk you through the insanely profitable world of paid ads. This will be your Google ads and Facebook, so that it's wide open for people with practically any budget. You can get the A to Z on turning $4 into $40 all day in friendly video training. This is done for you. They also include a done for you campaign with full details you can plug in and profit with. That's upsell number 2. Upsell number 3, Lazy Traffic Sniper Gold for $197. This is the limitless traffic upgrade. It's proven high converter and can make you serious commission, so it's worth an extra push in your campaign. So this is done for you. You just have to sit and relax. So basically they'll use Jono's sales page that has the 300,000 hits per year, so that they can use the same traffic, so that they can help you out with using his campaigns. Upsell number 4, this is a reseller's price. Upsell number 4, Lazy Traffic Sniper Platinum for $197. This is the reseller's license that will help you to sell the product as your own, and you will be able to get 100% commission. So guys, as I've said, there's a 30-day money back guarantee if you're not happy with the product. So that I can just let me just mention that if you are interested in the product, please click in the description link so that you can just take up the product, and I've showed you this will take you to the sales page. There's a 30-day money back guarantee. Sorry guys, I'm coming down with the flu. Sorry about that. So there's a 30-day money back guarantee. So if you are interested in the product, so you can just click in the description link. For now, thank you for watching my my review video. But if I just can give you my personal opinion, I think as the sales page, I mentioned that Quora is an untapped traffic. So with I think 300 million followers, so it will be worthwhile to use this as another source of traffic, so that you can send your offers and your promotions to it. But ultimately the decision lies with you. I won't be able to choose for you guys. But for now, thanks for watching my review. Thank you for watching my lazy traffic sniper review. Until we meet again on the next product review. Thanks for now. Cheers.